Hello group, here's another quick update on the big Franken controller swap upgrade, if we can call it like that. Here we just installed a AWC708. It's a light object LOX7, but it's still a AWC708 controller. You see I built a new panel, and now I have two water temp indicators, one for the inlet, one for the outlet, and still using the same XY stage as 400 by 600 until Santa's brings my new materials to change that and increase the size a little bit. Also, the machine will increase in size from top to bottom, like twice the size, for obvious reasons. And here we go. There's a little mess here. The thing brings very long cables. Here's the controller, where you can see AWC708C, stepper drivers, X, Y, and Z. You have the C table now is moved, and the stock K40 power supply is still there, still alive. And here's the crappy tube that we are using right now until new stuff arrives. Anyhow, how this thing works. So far, I'm using my main computer right there. And the good thing about this controller is it works via the network, so I can send a file from here to there without a USB or cord, because it's hooked up to this little Apple Airport Express Wi-Fi extender that I have in some box that I found, and still works, and it's communicating with the machine. Also, I can use my tablet to send the files or manipulate the machine. So let me see if I can go here, move, and yeah, I can jog the machine with this thing and reset the machine and everything via the Wi-Fi. That's kind of cool. So let's fire up this thing to see what happens. It's gonna be the first time, and I don't know if this thing needs alignment. Also, the C table, this works. I think we're good with that. Let me see. I know that is the correct height, but let's see what happens. But it's moving. And let's send this file. Well, actually, you can see, tablet is, there's nothing hooked up to the tablet. So let's send the file to the controller. And there's the file. And let's run it from here, actually. So we can hit start, and we'll send the file again, and we'll start doing this stuff. Let me see what happens. Oh, let me turn on the fan back here and the air. Oh, look at this. Old school water stuff, because the new machine have all the good gadgets on it. So let's turn on air, another air. There we go. Let's see what happens here. And again, just via the Wi-Fi, this thing is not connected. It's going too fast. Anyhow, he's fighting. Just sending a file to vector engrave, raster engrave, scanning, whatever you want to call it, and a cop at the end. I don't know if it's going to go to that. It works. Leave your comments, ask any questions or any suggestions to improve this thing. Welcome. See you around.